Welcome to the guide on using the Customer Insight Agent. This agent integrates an LLM to accurately search for relevant information about potential customers and their companies. Based on the findings, it generates three tailored agent ideas that align with the customer's company or industry. Additionally, it creates a well-structured introduction email to support the sales and pre-sales teams in engaging prospects effectively. Initiate a conversation by clicking on Start Chat. Enter the desired customer and his company for searching. The agent will follow the prompts to execute this request. As shown in the result, the first part is personal industry summary analysis, which are the detailed introduction about the target customer. The agent will generate three tailored agent ideas based on the retrieved information, specifically designed to appeal to him. Another content generated is invitation email template, which you can directly apply. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Customer Insight Agent.